Hey everyone, this is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and I'm going to give you guys an update about this catastrophe swing axle that I was dealing with in my last video. After about 4 hours of beating on this little bastard and almost a full can of PB Blaster, I finally got the damn thing to come out. That little set screw right there, that damn thing broke off, and so I had to literally go through the tunnel, which, like I said, now I gotta learn how to weld and fix that, which I don't know, that probably is not too big of a deal. But I'll show you what gave me the real bitch of a time. I didn't even realize that the brake line that goes on to this swing axle here was what's holding it up, and you know, all these brake lines was what was holding this transmission back for me. But I want to thank all you guys for your help, and like I said, this is something else. But I said it's I don't know. So anyways, guys, thanks for your help, thanks for your responses, thumbs up. Like I said, I appreciate all your loyalty that you have to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video. You guys take it easy.